At first, welcomes you to the visit world. Within the raining of bomb, like father, like son, after the death of Ayotollah Ali Khamnei, the supreme leader of Iran, Mojtaba Khaemnei, within the raining of bomb, becomes the supreme leader of Iran. The world has never ever seen such picturesque picture before. IRGC wants as soon as possible to fill the gap of Ayatollah Ali Khamnei amid the attack of US Israel, Mojtaba taking oath within the raining of bomb. The new supreme leader of Iran, Mojtaba Khaemnei, considers himself to be a soldier and states a soldier is not a soldier if he is not proud. I am proud for my country till the last breath. Further, he states that you should not take Iran lightly. Thank you.